Gattu's birthday. It was one fine morning in the month of April. Gattu woke up from the sleep and sat on the bed. Suddenly saw the calendar on the wall. The calendar was still showing the month of March.
Shit, man, how forgetful I am. April has begun already and I haven't turned the page of calendar yet.
Gattu turned the page of the calendar. Suddenly he saw the date 16th and felt very happy.
Wow, 16th April, my birthday. I almost forgot. Today is 8th, which means only 8 days are left.
Gattu started marking the date 16th with a marker pen. Then his mom came.
What are you doing, Gattu?
It's my birthday on 16th April. I'm marking the date to remember.
Mom smiled and said,
Okay, come fast and have your breakfast after getting fresh.
On the day of my birthday, I want a lot of gifts from mom dad. Sports watch, bat, guitar, football. Oh god, the list is getting longer. I should write it, otherwise I will forget.
Taking a paper pen, Gattu sat down to make a list.
It's done. A day before my birthday, I will keep this list on dad's laptop.
Then Gattu jumped out of his bed and went to the bathroom and left the list on the table. Mom came to clean the room and saw Gattu's list on the table.
Oh, Gattu, he's so crazy. I guess I should hide this list.
A few days passed by. One night, after having dinner, Dad and Chinky were watching TV when Mom came and said,
Chinky, where is Gattu?
He's taking a walk outside with grandma.
"What's the matter?"
So the thing is, tomorrow is Gattu's birthday.
"Yes, I know that too."
Listen to the whole thing first. Gattu has marked his birth date on the calendar. He has also made a list of gifts. How crazy he is.
You are absolutely right.
I want to make him April Fool.
But how?
We will tell him that tomorrow is not his birthday. He is very excited about tomorrow. When he will come to know that his birthday is not tomorrow but day after tomorrow, how fun it will be.
But how will we make him believe?
It's simple. We will hang last year's calendar on the wall. Last year's calendar is running late by a day.
We will mark the date 16th of last year, which is not tomorrow but day after tomorrow. That way he will believe.
Correct. You go quickly and complete the work. And you, take this list. All the gifts and all the arrangements should be done by tomorrow.
While Chinky ran towards the room with last year's calendar, removed the calendar from the wall and hung the old calendar.
Now let me mark the date.
Chinky marked the date 16th with a marker pen. When Gattu came to the room, Chinky saw Gattu was looking for something on the table.
What happened? I had made a list and it was on the table. Did you see it? No. Was it important? I can't tell you right now. Looks like I have to make it again.
That's when Gattu's attention fell on the calendar.
Oh, what's this? I thought that tomorrow is 16th, but the calendar is showing it day after tomorrow. The mark is also correct. Then how one day late? Chinky, is it Sunday or Monday today? Today is Saturday. Hey man, I'm getting confused. Come on, tell me today's date. 15th April. No, 14th April.
When Gattu saw that 14th was Saturday, he started thinking angrily.
Today was Saturday. That means April 14th. Tomorrow is 15th April. That is Sunday. And day after tomorrow is Monday, 16th April. That means day after tomorrow is my birthday. Shit, dude. Now I should go to sleep. Tomorrow I'll make the list again.
The next day, Gattu once again made the list.
I will quietly keep the list on Dad's laptop later. First I'll play a little.
Then Gattu went to play in the society campus, but no one was there.
Oh, where is Hari? Goody, how come no one has come today?
That's when he saw two children sitting outside the society. Gattu went near and saw the children were making a cake out of mud.
Why are you making this mud cake? Today is Raju's birthday. I am making a cake for him. We are poor. We cannot afford bringing cake from the shop. That's why we are making this cake.
Gattu felt bad hearing this.
How Happy birthday, Raju. It's your birthday today and tomorrow is my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday in advance.
There was no one to play. So after a while, Gattu went home. It was quite dark inside the house.
Why it's so dark today?
That's when suddenly all the lights turned on and the whole house was illuminated. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Gattu. Happy birthday to you. Gattu saw Mom, Dad, Chinky, Grandma, Hari, Goody. Everyone was wishing Gattu together. The whole house was decorated and there was a big cake and many more gifts.
Hey, what's happening? My birthday is tomorrow.
April Fool, your birthday is today, not tomorrow.
No, how is that possible?
Chinky showed both the calendars to Gattu.
This is current year's calendar. Today is Sunday and today's date is 16th of April. And this is last year's calendar where today is Sunday but the date is 15th April. With the old calendar, we all have made you April Fool.
And yes, we have got your letter containing the list. All the gifts are ready. Let's cut the cake now, Gattu.
Gattu was blown away after hearing this. But Gattu became very happy after seeing the cake and other arrangements.
Come on, son. Let's cut the cake.
Gattu was about to cut the cake when suddenly he stopped.
Just a minute, I'll be back.
Saying this, Gattu ran outside. Everyone was worried. After a while, Gattu came with the poor children.
This is Raju. Today is his birthday too and they don't have money for the cake. So they were cutting a cake made of mud.
Well done, son. Now come on, you both. Let's cut the cake together quickly.
Then what? Gattu along with Raju cut the cake. And in this way, the celebration of Gattu's birthday party began.
Prank competition. Gattu Chinky, after returning from school, were really excited and were talking to each other because the next day was 1st April, that is April Fool's Day.
Chinky, tomorrow's April Fool's Day. I am going to make you April Fool and you won't even know how. No way, Gattu. I am going to prank you before you can do it. Got it? Whatever, Chinky, but my pranks are going to be better than yours. Ha ha ha, we'll see that, Gattu. Hey, I have an idea, Chinky. How about an April Fool's battle? In this battle, whoever will do more pranks on others will be the winner. Okay, Gattu. This is a quite nice idea. But who will decide the winner between us? Come, let's ask Mummy and Papa that they only become judges for our battle.
Gattu and Chinky went to Mummy and Papa and they explained their battles to them. Mummy and Papa also agreed to be their judges. Next day, Gattu woke up early in the morning and straight away went to brush his teeth.
I think Chinky has woken up before me. I should brush quickly and start working on my pranks. I am going to win this battle.
Gattu then took some toothpaste on the brush and was about to brush his teeth. He was really surprised.
Oh, what kind of toothpaste is this? I think this is something else.
That is when Chinky came there and started laughing loudly.
Gattu, you became an April Fool. How was my prank? This is not a toothpaste. It's actually a face cream. Huh, Chinky, this is not good. You started pranking before me. You may be ahead of me this time. But just wait and watch. I am going to be the winner for this battle.
Gattu then finished brushing his teeth and went to take a bath. But then Chinky replaced Gattu's dress with her own dress. Gattu also didn't pay much attention and he wore Chinky's skirt instead of his pants and he came outside. Seeing this, Mummy, Papa and Chinky started laughing at him. Oh Gattu dear, what is this? Are you going to wear a skirt to school today?
What's this? This is a prank. I will just go and change. If this keeps happening, I will lose the battle.
Gattu went to the room to change the dress. In another room, Chinky was talking to Mummy, Papa.
Mummy, Papa, you saw that, right? I have pranked Gattu twice since the morning. I think I'm going to win this battle, right? Yes, dear. Chinky, but I wanted to talk to both of you about something important.
Then Gattu also came over there.
Gattu, Chinky, when you will go to school, pay attention to your studies. All these pranks should be done at home only. Okay? Alright, Mummy. We won't do any prank while we are at school. Yes, Mummy. Gattu, let's go. Hurry up. Else we will be late for school. Okay, Chinky, let's go. Wear your shoes first, then we will go. Yes, okay.
Gattu and Chinky started wearing shoes. But suddenly Chinky screamed loudly.
Help me! Help me! Mummy, there's something in my shoe. It's a frog. What? Frog? In your shoes?
Mummy looked inside the shoes and noticed that there was a toy frog in it.
Chinky, this is just a frog toy. I think Gattu pranked you with it. Mummy, you are right about it. Chinky, it was my prank. What is this, Gattu? I was so scared. Finally, you earned your first point. But now, we should hurry, else we will be late for school.
Gattu and Chinky both went to their school. But the whole day Gattu kept thinking that Chinky had earned 2 points and he had earned only 1. He kept thinking what prank he should do next. And that is when he got an idea.
Yes, this is a nice idea. When we will go home and Chinky takes an afternoon nap, I will bake a small cake and I will add salt in it instead of sugar. This is going to be so much fun. After all, Chinky loves cake so much. I am going to win this battle. Ha ha ha. Hey Gattu, why are you laughing? What is the joke that made you laugh so much? It's nothing special, Chinky.
After reaching home, Gattu and Chinky had their lunch. And then they both take a nap. But Gattu was putting up on a show. After Chinky slept, he gets up fast and went to kitchen and started making cake with help of Mummy. By the time Chinky woke up, the cake was all set and ready.
Wow, what a delicious aroma it is. Gattu, have you baked a cake? Yes, Chinky. See, I have made your favorite strawberry flavored cake. Come here and taste it. Wow, this cake even looks very yummy. Thank you, Gattu. Then hurry up and taste it.
Chinky quickly took a bite from the cake.
What is this, Gattu? It is not at all sweet. This cake is salty. I made you fool and it is so much fun. Chinky, this was a prank. What is this, Gattu? I wanted to eat cake so badly. But this cake was just a prank. Now what? Kids, don't worry. I have also baked another cake for you. After Papa returns from the office, we will eat it, okay? Really, Mummy? Wow, thank you. Oh, wow, thank you, Mummy.
After some time, Papa also returned home. And they all sat together. Come on, Gattu and Chinky. Both of you cut the cake now. And then we will announce who is the winner of this April Fool's battle.
Okay, Papa.
Both of them started cutting the cake. But as soon as they tried to cut the cake with a knife, the cake gets burst. It was actually a balloon in it.
What is this, Mummy, Papa? Mummy, Papa, you also played a prank on us. We never even thought that you could do this.
So tell me, who is the winner of this battle, Gattu and Chinky?
Yes, please tell me, whose prank was the best?
Gattu and Chinky agreed they lost. And together they said,
Yours was the best.
They all laughed together. And in this way, prank competition was over.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.